All over the world, as a result of the accidents at level crossings, where the rail and road intersect, thousands of people are killed or injured, and a great deal of moral and material losses occur. In order to prevent such accidents, it's crucial to raise public awareness about the level crossing rules in addition to the improvements and technological innovations. Train doesn't occupy any other's way. Right of way always belongs to trains. Most of the accidents at level crossings occur because the road drivers rush, act inattentively, and does not observe the rules. To prevent the accidents, the road drivers causing the accidents must be aware of the fact that the right-of-way at level crossings belongs to trains, and observing the rules while passing over them saves lives. Moreover, it's of vital importance that all the involved institutions and organizations, especially railway and road authorities, must fulfill their liabilities, as well as media and public awareness must be raised altogether. Holding the laws of our country for 158 years, and valuing the human life more than anything, TCDD has worked hard to prevent level crossing accidents, which also threaten railway transport safety. TCDD is not only doing its share, but also cooperating and carrying out joint projects with other institutions and organizations. What has been done for level crossings? 1,700 level crossings with high accident risk have been removed. Road signs have been renewed. 1,068 level crossings have been converted into protected status. Comfort at level crossings has been increased by coatings. TCDD hotline 131 has been created to make it possible to report all disruptions promptly. In order to increase public awareness, public service ads have been broadcasted, banners and brochures have been distributed. During the 10-year period between 2003 and 2013, a total of 78 million Turkish lira was invested for improvement of level crossings. Level crossing accidents decreased by 89%. As a result of these improvements, the number of accidents decreased to 41 in 2014, which was 361 in 2000. No level crossings exist on conventional, rapid and high-speed lines newly constructed or to be constructed, as well as on the doubled line section. Road vehicles use under and overpasses for crossings. In addition, it's planned to remove 301 level crossings by constructing 204 under and overpasses during the line doubling works. Actively participating in International Level Crossing Awareness Day, TCDD is organizing various activities in June every year. Aiming to raise awareness of the public about the reasons of level crossing accidents, these activities also provide opportunities to create new preventive ideas. For a safer life, observe the rules. To save lives, observe the rules. Take your time and be careful at level crossings.
So you're the famous road runner. Don't you ever stop? I see. You always stop at railroad crossings. No wonder you're still running the road today.